Okay guys, so on this video we are going to be talking about how to mint the NFTs on the LayerEdge website. All right, so recently I have made a video talking about how to complete some certain tasks, and right here on this video we are going to be talking strictly how we can be able to mint the NFT and all that are required for you to be able to mint this NFT. All right, so right there guys, what you need to do is simply click over here guys on task, and coming over here on task you can see that these are the two NFT. We have the OG pledge pass NFT right here, and we also have the just pledge pass. This one is OG and this one is pledge pass. And of course, if you want to be minting this pledge pass right here, you can do it totally free. It won't cost you a dime. All right, but if you want to mint the OG pledge pass, this is going to be coming with a little cost. All right, so to be able to start minting this NFT, what you got to do is simply come over here to the mint. You can see mint right here. You click on it, and clicking on the mint, you can see this is where you are going to be minting it right here. And at the point of making this video, you still have 39 hours left before you can be able to before you lose this opportunity. And coming over here right now, you can see we have the OG pledge pass, and we also have the just the normal pledge pass NFT right here. Let's start with the normal NFT right here. We are going to be minting this one, after which we are going to be minting this one. So to start with this one right now, you click on mint free pledge pass. All right, so clicking on it right now, let's see what we are going to be having right here. You can see transaction pending. This is going to be popping up your MetaMask, and of course you need to of course approve the minting. All right, this is totally free. You don't have to pay any dime for this, and of course all you have to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on confirm. But however, you are going to need 0.01 dollar. It is not even that is 1 cent. You are going to need 1 cent before you can be able to proceed with this. So in whichever way, you need any amount of Ethereum on base network. Okay, so right now you click on confirm, and over here right now this is going to be confirmed right now, and of course we have now successfully minted this pledge pass NFT. So right now guys, let's talk about how to mint the OG pledge pass. So it's literally the same way. You go ahead and of course click on mint OG pledge pass. So this is going to be loading up, and your MetaMask is going to be popped up again. And right now let's find out the amount that this is going to be costing us right here. Okay, so over here as you can see, we are now going to be minting this, but we need, you can see we need $2 worth of Ethereum on that base blockchain. However, this pledge or this fee that we are going to be paying to be able to mint this is going to be given back to us on the day of the TGE. And also minting this NFT actually gives you a lot of opportunities to earn some extra reward that people that didn't mint this OG pass are not going to be earning. All right, so right now we proceed by clicking on confirm, so that we are going to be minting this NFT real quick. Let's see what we're going to be having right here. Okay, and you can see we have now successfully minted this NFT. So the next thing right now is how do you actually verify that you have actually minted this NFT. So what you need to do right now is to simply go ahead and of course click on the task button again. You click on it, and clicking on it right now, you are going to be brought back right here, and of course this is where you need to actually verify the SBT. Let's first of all verify this one right here. You click on verify. So this is going to be popping up your MetaMask again, and you need to actually just sign the message request, signature request rather. This is totally free. It doesn't come with any cost. You click on confirm, and right now this is going to be verified right now, and of course you can see success. We have now completed this task. All right, so let's verify the second one, which is the OG pledge pass. You click on verify SBT, and right now guys, you need to actually sign the signature request. Okay, you click on confirm, and right now guys, is okay, we have error message right here. Let's try it one more time. So this is the type of problem that you might encounter at your own end, and to be able to solve it, just try one more time. You click on submit right now, and of course let's see what we're gonna have right here, and of course we click on confirm one more time, and this should be going through this time around. All right, so let's see what we're gonna have right here, and success. You can see we have now succeeded. So right now, after minting this, what are the benefits? So the benefit of minting this pledge pass is that you are going to be getting certain amount of energy or boost to your own mining or farming right here on the pledge pass. For example, this pledge pass right here is coming with 1.2x speed of mining or farming, but this one right here also comes with 3x speed of farming, and also it comes with 8,000 points and of course 8,000 edge points, and this one comes with 2,000 edge points. All right, so this is it right now, and you can see the last task remaining right here is of course linking your CLI Lite. Okay, and of course this is coming soon, not yet live. Okay, so coming over here right now to the proof, we have already talked about proof, and over here go and watch the previous video that I've already made that is going to be showing you how you can be able to go around this proof. And also, if you're hearing about LayerEdge for the first time, check out the video description, because a video that has been specially made to help you succeed on creating your own account will be dropped right there on the video description. Check it out. Okay, so coming over here right now, let's go to the dashboard, and of course coming to the dashboard right now, you can see we now have 3x boost. Okay, you can see we now have 3x boost right here, and we are earning very fast right now. Okay, and when you scroll down a little bit, you can see this is of course our dealer board, and of course this is my total point that I've accumulated so far, and of course the number one person right here actually got this amount right here. Okay, I have at least more than 50% of the highest person's amount of edge points. Okay, and this is it, and this is all you need to do right now. Do this right now to actually assure to get assured of being eligible to claim this LayerEdge airdrop. This is going to be very massive, and of course trust me, you do not want to miss out. Thank you for watching the video. I believe you like it. Let me know what you think on the comment section. How many edge points have you gathered so far, and do you think edge point is going to be cooking as everyone is anticipating for? Thank you for watching, and do not forget to claim your daily reward. I will talk to you guys on the next video dropping very soon.